For safety reasons, it's important to tie an underwriter's knot under the socket of a lamp. If the lamp cord gets pulled, the knot prevents the wires from getting ripped off the socket. The lamp cord should be split back about 4 inches. Step 1. Step 2. Step 3. When installed on the base, there should be about this much slack, and the wires should tuck into the base. You can find a complete video on how to replace a lamp socket by clicking on the channel name Know How Now and checking the playlists. I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated, and thanks for watching.